G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we have another charger from GT Power in for a review. This is called the C670D and this is a 7 amp maximum charger, or 80 watts. As you can see, this is a dual power charger, so you can run it on your AC power outlet from 100 volts to 240 and DC outlet as well, which you can run it off a car battery, which I'll show you in a second. There's some details of the charge current, guys, all maxed out for the charging at 7 amps. The discharge current rate is 1 amp, or up to 1 amp, 80 watts. So it can take up to 1 to 6 series LiPos here, or 1 to 15 cell nickel metal hydride and NiCd batteries. The PB lead acid battery, 2 to 20 volts. So as you can see, it's a dual power balance charger discharger. Also says here it has a built-in lithium battery internal resistance testing system, letting you know about the battery performance any time or place. Okay, and it is high voltage battery supported. Okay, so not much else on the box, pretty much all the same details. As you can see, the bullet connectors on the side, and it tells you some of the functions on the back of this box as well. Let's get this GT Power C670D charger out of the box and test it out. Okay, so let's have a closer look at the C670D charger from GT Power. Now, this time we have a white housed charger here compared to all the previous ones that I've reviewed from, which were black. It gives it a nice clean appearance, being white here. We also have a set of white buttons here as well on this panel. There's standard buttons that we use on most hobby grade chargers here. So we've got the stop, battery type, the status buttons here, decrease, increase, and the start, enter buttons here. There's some information here, like on the box, what cells it can go up to and charge, and the charge currents and discharge currents. All right. On the side here we have the bullet connectors as well as the balance lead connectors, all the way up to 6 cell. Okay, and we also have some venting on the side. Looks like they've integrated some handles here on the top, as well as the exhaust fan or cooling fan. They'll keep everything cool as well. On this side we have our AC and DC inputs here, as you can see here. So there's the AC one where you can power it off your power outlet at home, and also your DC one up here so you can power it off a car battery. This is the temperature control sensor here, port, and got some more ventilation on the side. So yeah, that is the actual charger unit itself. Here is the AC cord that you get with this one. This is the Australian one, of course, but wherever you're buying this from, you should get the one that is suitable for your country, whether it be US or in Europe. We also have a bunch of connectors here to use within the charger. So we've got some alligator clips here, got a red JST, looks like a 3-wire servo plug here as well, and some Deans on the ends here as well. We also have this plug here, which, if you don't know, this is for nitro RCs, guys. So it's for the actual igniter, the starter for that goes on the glow plug. So you have to charge them up. They have like a little, I think it's a lithium ion battery in them. So that is for the actual glow plug igniter. Okay, so that's pretty handy to have. Okay, so you get those bunch of wires there. And here is your DC input. Okay, so you plug this into the charger itself. You got alligator clips to actually hook up to your battery in your car. So you can actually take this charger down to the field with you. So just to quickly demonstrate, I've got a car battery here, guys. So if I was out at the field with my RC cars or trucks or maybe drones, I can just open up the hood of my car, or bonnet is what we call them here in Australia, and just hook it up to the battery. Obviously you're going to have your batteries connected on this side of the charger, and there you go. You can charge it up at the field or wherever you are bashing your RC trucks. You might be at a track, want to charge up your LiPos for your trucks or cars. You can easily do it with this particular charger, so that's pretty handy to have. Okay guys, so I've turned the unit on. Now for today's demonstration I'm just using a Turnigy 1000 milliamp hour. This is a 2S battery, as you can see here, and it's running a red JST plug, so I use the adapter cable that has been provided. Alright, and here we can see the program select screen, and you can change through the different types of batteries that you're going to charge up. Okay, and then it will go to the user set program. You can press start there, and you can change from LiPo to you know, lithium ion, LiPo high voltage, and so forth. Okay, so I'll leave it on LiPo, get out of that. You can check the internal resistance of the battery, okay, by pressing this. You just got to wait a couple of seconds. It's not going to show anything because I haven't got the battery connected up to the balance port yet, okay. All right, so you can check that, and that's pretty much it. So I'm going to plug this battery in now, okay, into the side there, and we'll go to LiPo battery. We've got all our different settings here. So we've got LiPo balance, discharge, charge, storage, and fast charge. All right, so I'm going to do a balance charge here. So I'll select that. I'll leave it at 1 amps because this battery is nearly fully charged. I've only just used it a little bit. I already had it fully charged not that long ago. So go to 1 amp, 7.4 volt, hold it down, confirm. And you can see it's charging up the 2S battery, and it says BAL for balance. If we press this one, we'll show that the cells are 4.17 each. Okay, press it again, and it shows that it is charged up 3 milliamp hours in 22 seconds. Stop that. We'll go to a different setting here. Go to storage rate. So we're in storage rate mode. The maximum for discharging and storage rate is 1 amp. I'm going to change that to 7.4 volt. Confirm, and we'll start discharging the LiPo to storage rate, which off camera I think I will do it to this particular LiPo, because I did charge this up to use the other day, and I only used a little bit of the charge. So in the meantime I might put it back down to storage rate. So as you can see, it's 0.5 amp at the moment, and it's starting to discharge the LiPo here. So if I can click on that, you're going to see the cells, the voltages on each cell as you would normally, and those should go down to 4.16, you know, 4.15, all the way to 3.85, which is the ideal storage charging rate. So now I've got it plugged in, I'll just quickly test the internal resistance. As you can see, it's showing the cells now. Cell 1 has got 11 and cell 2 has got 12. Okay, so that's basically it, guys. I'm not going to go through all the actual charging modes. I mean, if you own a hobby grade charger, you'd know what these ones entail. They're basically the same as any other hobby grade charger with this same LCD display as this one. You just go through fast charge, balance charge, discharge, and charging mode. So I'm going to go put it back onto storage rate, because I want to discharge this particular LiPo off camera, and that'll be it. I'll just let this one go now, and it can discharge while I finish up this video. So anyway, guys, that is the GT Power C670D charger, or 607D charger from GT Power. Very easy to use, as you can see. I like how it's got the AC and DC dual power inputs there. So like I showed you before, you can be out at the field, just open the hood of your car or bonnet of your car, and you know, you can just start charging your LiPos while you're out at the track or the field, depending whether you're flying drones, maybe using boats down at the lake, or at the racetrack or something like that. So yeah, pretty decent charger here. I'll be putting some links as usual in the description below where you can get this one from, as well as all the other GT Power chargers that I've had on the channel. If you've missed some of my other reviews, I have reviewed quite a few of their chargers previously in the last few months. So I've actually compiled a playlist, which I'll leave in the top right hand corner of the screen right now. I do like these particular brands of chargers. They do a great job, this company. You know, some of the chargers are touch screen, some have Bluetooth connectivity, which is awesome, and they also make some pretty good lighting kits and sound kits for your RC cars, as well as many other different products that I haven't covered yet. So stay tuned, guys, for some more products on the channel soon from GT Power. They hooked me up pretty good, and I've got quite a few of their products coming to the channel soon. So make sure, if you're new to the channel, click the notification bell, you know, subscribe to the channel, and you won't miss any of my new uploads. So until next time, guys, thanks very much for watching. I'll leave some links in the description below where you can get this one from, as well as the GT Power website, and you can check it out there. So until next time, happy RCing and be safe and enjoy the hobby. Alright guys, bye for now. Thanks very much for watching.